Shi kan hun ki pai ba kan thop na du ki rang ba samla hapo ka sunjuk ki nongnya kali kamai hari boy district limba ka joint action committee ne ka JSC jong ka all riboy passengers vehicle kila lektor sa office of deputy commissioner ka riboy district ka jing lektor kita pai ba hapo ka te ka sunjuk kalalong ha ka shitrik unai lar aja pulai na ka banta ban dawa na ka sarkar halor ka jing pen sa teng jong ka ban siu no ka bai kali bakila pedon kam nadu kisnam bawan len shop ka khlam covid kar khandai ba kamjuru ha election jet nom ikmat sha ka ying dorbat haw an ke jala jong usnam ajar arpulai la ban kado ba kate ka bai kali ba pen sa teng ni bor sarkar kala kanjo menta sha ka arsnam nadu ka jingwan len shop ka khlam covid kar khandai manolo kata sa ka jingron kam biang ha ka ni election aja arpulai jong ka ying dorbat haw an ke jala ha bai kran bagi no elam ka JSC all revoice passengers vehicle kila kena bahadin ke jing kenduk bo TUDC na kaliang jong TUDC lo ai daw dak banyak ban segi bor bahalor makim 4 flights bisa setia nalor ke JC jong ke all riboy passengers vehicle la sakhiru dak jing senrop lang sakawai pat ka kenhun ke ba 4 yo jing siu bisa setia haduk kini gisngi na kate ke office UDC kata na ka kenhun kinong disha batja kerpang nak benta ke election jet nang mikmat syaka ying dorbat haw an ke jela ka bala dep menta bat kulajan kenjo syaka sistem kenti kalami katma ketin ke bajur hapeng ginoi lam jong ka kenhun kinongnya kali ka kenhun kinong di sya batja bat deputy commissioner ke riboy district ka bala ne haduk atu ni por hadin nak katei na kaliang kinoi lam jong baro atli kenhun hamba kren segelat pathai kubor kilong bayam mentah kin pensange swai ke jiaki barkin apsitom hapo ka khasan sngi maka sarkar kan siudap ya baro ke jinglut jingsep kumbagi de ban yo bat lada kimla ban siu ya kepisah hapo kate ke sngi balabu kin sa simpan dai ke wei ke rai ka ba khamting susu ru mentah ka sngi na kaliang ka kenhon kinong nya kali kira pensange ru ya ke jing kamai ha baro ke wei ke riboy district ka balong kum kadak ke jing penpau bat ya ka jing persya halor ka jing menti bat le kuman ka sarkar ka baklam pasiu dep ka bai kali bat kumju ka bai bam segi try dukan sya bat jahan na ka menta baro kinong trei kebede ban penbet penbiang ya ka jing kam ha ka election
sedang mit ni penbiang ka kali masuk ni ai masuk je makir kita bengle kamna bengle umi kalau saya isi dan kam maki ke penjara umi sedang let the CEO clarify.
I just called the CEO.
Because he will say that okay, give me 2-3 days, 4-5 days. The same thing will happen, sir. We don't want them to talk to you so many times regarding the same issue, sir.
Let me have a meeting with him. Clarify. I will come. I will tell you.
Why the CEO is still silent and then he is not taking any initiative, sir?
No, sir. CEO.
If we take initiative, this thing won't happen, sir, today. We don't want to come and to gather here.
Election with the government, the central provide. Where's that money then? You answer me that.
No, ma'am. It does not happen like this.
What will not happen? You answer me that, sir.
I'm telling you, ma'am. It's not like this. Money.
It's the government, the central government, long time sanction for the way. Without the sanction, there'll be no election also. There'll be no election. Then where's that money? We want that answer. We want that answer. And why other district got the money when we don't get? We want that answer.
Other districts are also having pending bills.
No, they don't have pending bill. Yeah. Even the by-election already paid. Why? What about the revoice? Why work for the revoice? That we want to know. No, we won't accept that what you said, sir. Because we have come to you also. I have come personally for the COVID bill, for the election bill. But you didn't give us the clear answer. You said 1 week, and then you after that, then you said 10 days, then 1 month. We won't accept that. So we'll say when we'll receive the money, then when we'll have, then we'll talk. We'll have to talk. Now we will talk about it. Long time you should have talked.
No, ma'am, I'm telling
No,
you
sir.
this thing only.
No, we won't accept that, sir.
But
We
I
have.
cannot give you any timeline.
See, sir, this is. What is this? This is life. This is our life. We earn money from here. We eat from here. We provide for the house, for the family with this money. And you are doing us like we are.
Ma'am, it's not as if I am not paying your bills.
So, sir,
No, sir.
as
We
know,
won't accept that. You'll say that we'll have the
election
meeting. No,
bill
we won't
is
accept that,
already
sir.
sanctioned before the election only from the central government.
I inquire everything. So we came to know everything.
Ma'am, if you inquire everything, please inquire why Riboy is also not getting the
No,
bill.
what is your duty? Your duty is here, sir, for
I
what?
do not have any funds to give you, ma'am.
You don't have any fund. Where's the fund? Where's the fund?
We do not have the funds to give
You
you.
don't have. Where's the fund with the government provided? That's we want to know, sir.
Sir,
All the vehicles which goes for the police duty, police already cleared.
yeah, that is from the
From the
police.
police department.
Police department.
The police department is very fast, very speed in the work.
Yeah.
So why, which departments delay?
My friends, I give you on behalf of the canteen. Because all this, our friends talking about vehicle bill. But what about our canteen bills?
And canteen bills we discuss.
We already given the written also
Yes,
to
ma'am.
the CEO also.
Yes, ma'am. We are,
We didn't get the written.
Yes,
That's
ma'am. We
something
are
now.
looking into the bills. We are investigating it. We are checking the bills. It's a separate issue. Let's not talk about that here.
Shortage of fund to our district. Why? To other district, the government take the initiative to pass the bill in other district. Why they don't take the initiative to pass the bill in our Ribhoi
No,
district?
it's not like Ribhoi district is like that. The other issues, other districts are also facing the same issue.
No, they don't say. They got the money.
As per our knowledge, sir,
Other issues,
most of the district all received the bills.
The by-election rule are still there.
like that.
As Madam said,
Whatever
by-election bill
Even for the
also
by-election,
they
which is
received.
By-election was held before election. That
No,
election,
after
that-
election,
yes,
it's so
yes.
young.
After
that's so
election, the
young.
by-election
And that is a separate election. That for that,
Even then, election is election. Sir. Why separate?
Ribhoi district, the funds which were allocated have been completely utilized. State election department, the CEO office, whatever funds they had, they have already utilized during elections. So we do not have any funds. That is why we have to go for additional sanction of funds. Once we get the additional sanction of funds only, then we will receive the payment, then we will give you payment. As of now, the district is not having any payments, any amount, any fund to clear.
The why the other
We
district they
understood
got?
that, but from this last
No, boleh kita
past
district
months,
yo.
so many times we come and talk.
Even for the by-election
from
they
the
got.
office didn't take a very straight initiative. Kasi kakajing Sofia ke Bajur, nakaliang ke Joint Action Committee all Ribhoi passengers vehicle. Mentah ke sengi, ngila sange ya kamai kaji, baru ikali ke jungi ngila yawan. Ban penpau ya kedak jong kajing Sofia ke jungi, angne pelau jong audisi. Kajingwan ke jungi, bangi pep ya kamai kaji, kalong halor kajing bomyo ya ka bil ke jungi kata nadu ke bil COVID-19 kumjuru ke bil jong election MLA badang sudaction ke na kapor na kaliang ke JAC wilayawan bani kendu ya audisi banpan ne bandawa ya ke hok ke bangi dei banyo dan rei na kaliang audisi usu aipor panpor si panpor batu aipor bu tang di jingkular dan rei haduk ini kisngi ngimyo ya kata ke bil ke badangsa dei halor kane da ka jing susi bata jing Sofia mentah ka sengi sa sen nilawan lengba ka jing sange kali kamai jungi baro banwan ni kendu ban ya keren ya audisi namar ke por ke bau ai kalakut mentah ka sengi nilayo ban ya keren bat audisi ba kadau ayu ba penslam ya ka pisa ke badangsa bat balai klem burom ya ke por ke ba ngila ai nakaliang audisi ulaya tu yangi ba kapisa kamsyong tang kabor ka jongu namar kapisa wahab ban perlaj tu CEO nate na po slong ngila keliru yu ya kadau mano ban bak kli ane mano ba penslam ya kata kapisa mereka jubab ke bangi yo na u kalong ba kadai na CEO dan kaliang audisi ulaya keren bat CEO bat chief secretary ban yatai alor kene ka benta ka bangi ki driver ngi kendu tendau la dep ya keren bat CEO bat chief secretary ong ba un sapen like no kloi kat bala ya ka pisa ka badangsa tena kaliang ka jungi ngila dawa ya u bangi muhun ya ka por ka ba lane ya kata ka jingi keren ka ba ai henrei dei ban ai ngi ka por ka ba tikna ba hadu kat no sngi kan simpor ya kata ka pisa ban penlai dei halor ka jing bamun ka jungi ane ka jing yai dawa ka jungi na kaliang audisi ulai por biang mentah ka sngi nadu kane ka sngi hadu khatsan sngi ba on penlai lot ya ka pisa kata ka pisa ka bil COVID-19 kunjuru ka bil jongu election snap arajar apply ya na kaliang ka jungi nila menjur ya kata ka por ka ba ai khatsan sngi bat ngin ap sidom ku mangila yai ap baru si kata ngin ap sidom sa khatsan sngi bat niru na kaliang ka jungi ngila krensai balada Hapok kat san sni samenta ka kanti umperlai ka gamut ka JAC kan sasim da ka senjam ka bakam teng e bat ngin pena da kilat jing yaki ki bakam teng e bat ngila kran lu ada ngin ya ka jing yaki ka bateng e ka jing bakli hapsim hi ka district administration
Yang kinong yo bukan mo kantin kakani ka election idon ko bakat arti eki kantin kibangi ay pembiang kabam gadi nagbagtagi ba don di election dan rega basusi long bahado menta ngidang yo irapisatang san po ajar haw na January rehadu menta ngi klebyo ilawan bani kendu la arsin laisin ilawan lalang tangi la ay gajing toru haw na April sa IDC hang taru ong ini ay por arteo tingila ap dan rega mlok kam kataru tingilawan biang kilawan ay biang gajing to sa kuy pat shaw CEO shaw DC bat kunju sabaro di MLA jong kanim hoy bakin keren lem na kabantay jong ni namar babun mangi ginong bukan ni sa beram mo hakinong aeroson ki ba aido yang ni ki ba ay kijing don kam jong ni ki ba dapat bangin siu ka bay nong tray kunju te Henry kata kijing ay jong ni kata kupi shaw CEO ro tantangin tip yo kupor ni kalau puno ka yai puno di kata nakayang jong ni kata daw matagas ni tip kawan ke JC nakayang jong ni di dong bukatin diawan ban ya support lah kita bentaban itu
no ini bisa ba video ini
ka bisa te nginentik kalong lalaki jong kidukan mo idon kidukan kiba poy santo tam don kidukan kiba poy arto laiko don kiba poy dikiko don poy dikat kita lalaki jong mo
Ketungun lang kung ka por bag ay lang na nag-JC ni don lang kajong kata time frame.
Then ila kali mi di city ong ba ay por kan sni tingi hap ya kata kan sni ya kata kan sni kata kam siso tingi banse ba manyi tingi na join lang ba kami ke JC bangin perpal di jinaki kata hindawai ni ka kok